Love, stay with me.
9, 10.
Please hurry, please. I'm right here, love. I got you. I got you.
Come on, baby, stay with
Love,
me.
please stay with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Love.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Love.
It's okay. Yeah, it's been a long night. Yeah, I'm okay, thank you. Thanks for letting me know. He didn't wake up or anything, did he? Okay. Thank you. I've never seen him like this. I mean, he gets them all the time. You know, not a lot, but pretty consistently. And it's just never, I've never seen him. Fuck. Thank you. Every bit of reassurance is all that I need, everything that I need at this point. I don't know what I'd do without him, you know? Yeah. We actually met through each other's content. We're both content creators, so I guess you could say we met virtually, energetically even. It's adult content. Yeah. I mean, we don't just make NSFW or erotic audio, but although we do love all of that, but the main intention underneath all of our content is, you know, just to inspire or give those a safe space to explore their true nature, you know, just explore themselves, you know, their sensuality, their sexuality, parts of themselves that has been locked away, manipulated by outside influence through fear, you know. It's been both of our experience personally, you know, just learning about ourselves and, you know, tapping into our repressed sexuality and all that stuff. Yeah, it's also intended to give people that opportunity to find whatever it is within themselves that they need to heal and, you know, just find that self-love and eventually share it with their special person, their counterpart. Thank you. No, there's not really any major inspiration behind it. It's more about sharing our love story, you know, about how we found love within ourselves and then later found each other and are able to share that love that we have for ourselves with each other. The truth is, I realized who he was before I even met him. A few years ago, I was listening to his content one evening, and this little voice inside me told me it was him. No, this guy is going to ask you out. No, this is your future spouse. It was just a simple, it's him. And right then and there, I just knew. Time stopped for me. It's like my spirit locked into place, or our spirit, like our energy locked into place with each other, even before we knew each other. And my life has changed ever since. Our life has changed ever since. And so fast forward to today, I mean, eventually our paths crossed and we started talking with each other and collaborating with each other, and we've been inseparable ever since. So I guess you could see why we like to share a bit of our love story. Yeah, it's definitely our favorite love story. Hey, sleepyhead. How are you feeling? Oh, nurse. Thank you. Hey, baby. How you feeling? Groggy? That's understandable. Nothing. I'm just grateful that you're here. Hey, what's my name? That's right. And what's your name? That's right. And where do we live? That's right. Hey, I need you to drink this for me, okay? There you go. Okay. Oh, the nurse and I, we were just talking about you. She also was saying that the cafeteria is gonna close, so if I wanted anything, I better run downstairs or wherever the fuck it is. Can I get you anything? No? Okay. The food is probably shitty anyways. But you let me know if you want something. I can go run out and get you Jack in the Box. Yeah, we actually had a pretty cool exchange while you were out. You've been out for a few hours. Yeah. We were just talking. Well, I was sharing with her how we met. I think she was, just trying to comfort me and help me calm my nerves. But I was just telling her about how we met and our love story and, what we do. And she was very intrigued. So it was a pretty dope exchange. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm just so fucking glad you're here. Come here. She was also telling me that she's waited on a lot of patients in the same kind of condition as you, and she told me not to worry because she could tell that you're a fighter. Ain't that right, baby? Yeah. You're my fighter. You want some more water? Okay. Okay. I think I'll have some too. It is 3:00 a.m. Yeah. I don't know. I guess the cafeteria has random weird hours, or maybe they just stayed up a little bit later. I don't know. Before it happened this time, we were talking about, or we were going to start talking about, I was going to start asking, or I was asking you again where we wanted to go for our next trip. So I'm a little scared to start talking about that right now. I know you're here. I know. It's just... it's just never gotten to this point, you know? So it's just a lot to process. Yeah. But I know we're in this together, right? Yeah. Come here. Yeah, she said that she'll give us a moment and the doctor should be in a little bit to check on you and make sure everything is okay. And once we have the okay, then we can go home. Yeah. Shit, I called your mom and I told her the moment that you wake up to give her a call. So I know that she's out of town, so you might want to do that because she's probably flipping the fuck out. Yeah. God, I fucking love you. I love you so much. All right. Well, I'll give you and your mom a moment, okay? Okay. Hey. I got you, remember? We have each other. Until forever.